Breaking news from America's heartland. One of the biggest names in agriculture, Case IH, has just shut down a massive $22.02 billion production line. Why? All signs point to a boiling trade war. Could this be the beginning of a bigger crisis for American manufacturing? Case IH, known for its powerful red tractors and essential farming equipment, is more than just a brand. It's a backbone of U.S. agriculture. But now, its operations are under threat, and it's not just about supply chains. It's about global trade, tariffs, and political pressure. Over the last year, tensions between the U.S. and several major trade partners, especially China and the EU, have escalated. The result? Tariffs on steel, electronics, and now agricultural machinery. With costs rising and parts delayed, Case IH had no choice but to halt a key production line. This shutdown affects thousands of jobs across Illinois, Wisconsin, and Iowa. Areas already struggle with inflation and high fuel costs. Farmers are furious, workers are scared, and Washington is scrambling for answers. I've used Case tractors my whole life. If they stop making parts or machines, how are we supposed to feed this country? This isn't just a factory issue. It's a symptom of deeper trade dysfunction that could spread to other sectors like automotive and aerospace. We built these machines with pride. Now we're being told to pack up and go home. The economic blow could ripple beyond agriculture. With $22.02 billion worth production at risk, America could face a severe shortage of key farm equipment just ahead of planting season. Can America stop this trade war before it cripples more industries? Talks are ongoing in Washington, but results are slow. Meanwhile, Case IH's closure sends a clear message. The global economy is changing fast, and not in our favor. While Case IH shuts down, foreign competitors like Kubota and Mahindra are seizing the opportunity to fill the gap. America's dominance in farm machinery is slipping. So what's next? Will the government act in time? Can America rebuild its supply chains? Or will trade politics crush another iconic U.S. brand? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Should the U.S. end this trade war now? And what does this mean for the future of American manufacturing? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more breaking stories that affect you.